Allie, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for another favorites video, and this is just going to be my December 2020 favorites. I've been doing favorites videos for the past 4 or 5 years, and I will leave a playlist to all of them linked down below for you guys. I have been slacking the past few months, but that is simply because I have had a super busy schedule and just haven't been able to get to it. However, I've had some time off this month, and I have time to film, so I figured I would get it out there for you guys. If you guys would like to continue seeing monthly favorites videos throughout the 2021 year, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I will have as many of the products as I can listed down below in the description box in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. So without further ado, let's get started. My favorites this month are literally all over the place, so I'm not even going to attempt to categorize them like I typically do. I'm just gonna jump in and share with you what my favorites are. Starting off, we have a drink, and this is just the Stok cold brew coffee, and this is the pumpkin one, and it is so good. It is a limited edition one, I believe. However, I stocked up big time on these because I was afraid that I wasn't going to get enough of this during the fall. And I have continued drinking it throughout the winter. I absolutely love these Stok cold brew coffees. I know a lot of other people do too, and I've mentioned it in past favorites videos. Out of all the ones they have, this one is hands down my absolute favorite, and I actually prefer this over the pumpkin cream cold brew from Starbucks, as well as the pumpkin spice lattes from Starbucks, which says a lot. And it is way cheaper to go and buy this than it is to go to Starbucks every day, and this one does have the creamer in it. Next up is a clothing item from Old Navy. I am always mentioning Old Navy clothes here on my channel. I absolutely love their shirts, and this is just what it looks like. It is just a long sleeve shirt that has a few buttons, and obviously it is just navy blue with white polka dots, which if you've been a long time subscriber, you know that this is one of my absolute favorite color combinations and patterns. This is just a really nice top that you can wear to nicer things, and you can dress it up with some nice white pants, but it's also a shirt that you can dress down and simply wear with leggings. And I also have it in the tank top version. I actually got the tank top version over the summer, and I got it for the 4th of July. Obviously, they are not the same exact thing. They are the same exact color and pattern. However, there are smaller dots on the tank top and larger dots on the long sleeve. Next up, I'm sure you guys have seen these on my channel, but they are just these cute little birds that you get at Target. I have an entire collection video that I will leave down below for you guys, showing you guys my entire collection of these, because I do have quite a lot, and my collection has actually grown since doing that video, so if you guys would like an updated collection, let me know. I just got these over the fall and was never able to include them in a favorites, so I figured I would include them now. They are just super adorable, and I love that these ones have wings that are made out of leaves. This one right here is Filbert, and this one is Maple. Next up is another product from Target, and they are the Scunchie brand. I think that's how you pronounce it. They are just thin braided headbands. I have 4 different ones, as you guys can see. I have a black, navy blue, and then I have a blush pink and a coral pink. I really enjoy wearing these when I work out, and they do stay in place, which is something I absolutely love. You can wear them with pretty much everything, and they're also super comfortable. I have issues a lot of the time with headbands that are like this because oftentimes they give me a headache. However, I do not have that issue whatsoever with these ones. Next up is a laundry product, and if you guys have seen my self-care routine video that I uploaded last month, then you've already seen these. If you have not seen that video, I highly recommend going and watching it. It is just my full self-care routine where I show you guys what I am currently using on my hair, my skin, and some of my favorite products for pampering myself. In that video, this is one of the products I used. These are just the Downy Cool Cotton In-Wash Scent Booster Beads. I absolutely love these. I've also tried the Gain Fireworks ones. I am not a fan of those. I feel like those make my clothes super itchy. However, I've not had this issue with these ones, and they just smell super good, and they leave your clothes smelling fresh for so long. If you guys have a favorite scent of these that you really like, definitely let me know what it is in the comments, because I definitely want to venture out and try some new ones. Next up, I have a product from Bath & Body Works, which probably won't surprise you guys because I include a product from Bath & Body Works in pretty much all of my favorites videos. This month, it is this scent. It is the Snowflakes and Cashmere scent, and I actually got this for Christmas, and I am obsessed with it. It smells so good. Like normal, I am really bad at describing scents, but it is kind of a really fresh scent with a subtle sweet scent to it as well. Usually they have little descriptions on them as to what they are supposed to smell like. However, this one does not. But this is just the little hand cream. I also have it in the large body lotion. I'm pretty sure this is just a limited edition winter scent, so if you have not smelled it, I highly recommend going to Bath & Body Works as soon as you can and giving it a smell. Next up is a hand sanitizer, which I'm pretty sure all of us have become accustomed to using on a daily basis with the global pandemic. And right now, this is my absolute favorite one. It is just a plain hand sanitizer that I found at CVS. It is the continuous spray hand sanitizer. And as you guys can see, it is in a sunscreen bottle, which is why I love this product so much, because you can literally throw it in your purse or throw it in your bag or anything like that, and you do not have to worry about it leaking or the top popping off or anything like that. And whoever came up with the idea of putting sanitizer in a sunscreen bottle was a genius. Going backwards a little bit to scents, I have another one. These are both the same scent, and it is the Febreze Fresh Spiced Apple scent. It is a limited edition, and again, I stocked up on this because this is my absolute favorite scent. I actually fell in love with this scent at the end of last fall, and when I went back to get refills, it was all gone because it is limited edition. So this year I was smart, and when I saw it, I made sure to get a bunch. I have it in the small spaces, and then I also have it for the Febreze plug-in. It kind of smells like something you would find at Bath & Body Works. However, it is not overpowering, and this is what I use in my room as my daily plug-in air freshener. And these two are actually my last ones of each product, which I'm super sad about because you can't get it anymore. So I'm gonna have to move on to a more wintry spring scent. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know what they are in the comments. I have two more favorites, and the first one are gel pens. There isn't one specific brand of gel pens. There is a bunch in here, and they are all my favorites. If you guys would like me to sit down and do an entire video where I swatch each of the gel pens and tell you guys about my top 10 favorites, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I believe years ago I did a video on my top 10 favorite markers where I swatched them and talked a little bit about them. But if you guys would like something similar to that where I go through gel pens, definitely let me know. A bunch of them are name brand ones that have come from Dollar Tree, and then some of them are the regular Dollar Tree brands. And let me tell you, the Dollar Tree honestly has some of the best gel pens out there, and I highly recommend a ton of them. Another set of gel pens I really like are these ones, which are just from Walmart. They are the Pen and Gear brand. However, I have not been able to find these anywhere anymore. I got them at the beginning of the year or end of last year, and I haven't seen them since. And I'm really mad about it because these are my absolute favorites. I absolutely love that they're in this container because it does have a locking lid. It also has a handle so you can carry them around, and when you put the bottom through it, it creates a tower and they can actually spin. I am hopeful that maybe one day when I'm in Walmart, I will come across them and I can stock up on them. And my last favorite for this month has been diamond painting. If you guys are on TikTok, then you've probably seen that a ton of people do diamond painting, and it is one of those products that TikTok did make me try, which I have a ton of those products. So if you guys would like to see an entire video about the products TikTok made me buy, let me know. But diamond painting is definitely one of them, and so far I have done almost 10 of them. This is the one I am currently on. It is just a watercolor mousse, and I only have a little bit left to do. It's really hard to tell on camera, but I have a little strip right here and then a little bit up here. I am a person who is definitely into crafts, and this has become my new obsession, and I get all of mine from Amazon because they are affordable and they come quickly in the mail. If you guys have a favorite place where you like ordering diamond paintings, definitely let me know what it is down below. I only liked the round drills. I tried one with the square drills, and I got really frustrated because they weren't all lined up properly, and with the round ones you don't have to worry about that. A few of the others I have done are this one, which is just the Magic Kingdom castle. This one right here is just of a raccoon in a hole in a tree. This was my very first diamond painting, and I love the way it turned out. For those of you who do not know, I am absolutely obsessed with raccoons. They are the cutest animals out there. If you guys would like to see an entire video on how I go about framing my diamond paintings, definitely let me know in the comments down below, because that is something I could definitely do. I found a super easy way to do it that is also relatively inexpensive. I personally like framing them so that I can hang them up on the wall, and it also helps to better preserve them so that the drills, which are the little rhinestones, do not fall off of them. So those are just my December favorites. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. Also be sure to let me know what products you have been loving this month. Like I said in the beginning, if you guys would like to continue seeing monthly favorites videos throughout the 2021 year. Definitely let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload new content regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!